Problem 3. Factor completely 6n squared plus 17n plus 7. There are only two factors for 7 because 7 is prime. How am I going to factor 6n squared? I don't know, but I've got an n and an n certainly. And the only way to factor 7 is 1 and 7. Are my signs going to match, or are they going to be different? My signs are going to match. They're going to be the same because this is positive. Are my signs going to be positive or negative? My signs are going to be positive. So I have n plus, and a 7 and a 1. Now what's going to give me 6n squared? Well, I want 17n. What numbers multiply together to give me 6? And also, let's see, this is a little tricky. You know, I'm just going to try something, and maybe it will work, and maybe it won't. Okay, 7 times 1 is 7. So if this were 1n and 6n, that doesn't work. That gives me 7n plus 6n, which is 13n, so that doesn't work. So I have to try something else. So let's see. What if I try 2 and 3? 7 times 2 is 14n. 3n times 1 is 3n. This will give me 17n. How do I know for sure? Well, let me check over here with my multiplication. 3n plus 7 multiplied times 2n plus 1. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 3n is 3n. 2n times 7 is 14n. 2 times 3 is 6. n times n is n squared. When I add the terms together, 6n squared plus 17n plus 7. So my answer here is 3n plus 7 and 2n plus 1. This exact type of problem is why all year I've said we do math in pencil. Problem 4. Do we have a greatest common factor? We do not. So I begin with my two sets of parentheses. X times x. Are my signs the same or are they different? My signs are the same because this is positive. Are they positive or are they negative? My signs are negative because this is negative. And I only have 1x squared, so both my signs are negative. Now how can I factor 35? 35 is 1 plus 35, but that's not going to give me a difference of 12. 5 and 7 may work. Let's try that. X squared minus 5x minus 7x plus 35. This works perfectly, and I can check it using the box method. X minus 5, x minus 7, x times x is x squared, x times negative 5 is negative 5x. Negative 7 times x is negative 7x. Negative 7 times negative 5 is 35. When I combine my like terms, I end with x squared minus 5x minus 7x is minus 12x plus 35. I factor this x minus 5 times x minus 7.